Hi, today I'm excited to introduce you to Selenium, one of the most popular open source automation testing tools for web application. If you've ever wondered how large-scale web applications ensure quality while handling millions of users, Selenium is a key part of that answer. So Selenium is widely used for function regression testing of web application. It supports multiple browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari and runs on different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. One of the biggest advantages of Selenium is its ability to scale and distribute test cases across different environments, which improves the test efficiency. It also integrates with popular testing frameworks like TestNG and JUnit, making it a versatile tool for developers and testers. So Selenium was developed in 2004 by Jason Huggins, who was working at ThoughtWorks. It started as an in-house project for automated web testing, but quickly became popular due to its flexibility and efficiency. So he was working on an internal web application at ThoughtWorks. After some time, he noticed that instead of testing his application manually, he could automate his testing. So he developed a JavaScript program to test his web application, allowing him to automatically rerun tests. He called this program JavaScript Test Runner. After some time, this tool was open sourced and renamed as the Selenium Core. So over time, Selenium evolved into multiple versions. Let's talk about Selenium 1, Selenium Remote Control IRC, the first version that required a server to communicate with web browsers. Selenium WebDriver introduced the WebDriver API, which allowed direct communication with web browsers, making automation more efficient. Selenium 3 improved browser compatibility and scalability. Selenium 4, the latest version with enhanced features, better debugging, and support for modern technologies. This evolution has made Selenium faster, more powerful, and more efficient over the years. For a simple automation tool, Selenium has now become an industry standard for testing web applications. So Selenium is not just a single tool, it's a suite of tools. It has three main components that serve different purposes. First one is the Selenium IDE or Integrated Development Environment. It's basically a record and playback tool for creating test cases quickly. Works as a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. It's best for beginners and quick test automation, but not ideal for complex tests. Then we have the Selenium WebDriver. It's basically the most powerful component that interacts directly with browsers that supports multiple programming languages, making it more flexible than Selenium IDE. It's faster, more flexible, and suitable for complex test scenarios. And then we have Selenium Grind. It's basically used for parallel execution of test cases on multiple machines and browsers. It helps in scaling test automation efficiently. Wouldn't it be great if your tests could run on different browsers and systems simultaneously? That's exactly what Selenium Grid does. Together, these components make Selenium a powerful and versatile tool for web testing. Selenium is widely used because of its powerful features. Let's go through some of them. Open source and free. There's basically no licensing cost, making it accessible for all. It works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and many more, supporting cross-browser support. Multi-programming language support. It supports Java, Python, Ruby, etc. It's platform independent. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It works well with TestNG and CI/CD tools like Jenkins. Promoting integration with other tools. It helps in parallel testing. With Selenium Grid, tests can be executed on multiple browsers simultaneously. These features make Selenium the go-to automation tool for web application testing. So Selenium IDE is a simple yet powerful tool that allows testers to create and execute tests without writing codes. Some key features of Selenium IDE are it basically records and playbacks. It automates test creation without coding. Smart element locator identifies web elements using ID, name, or XPath. It automates, auto-completes for command, helps in writing efficient test cases, debugging and breakpoints, allows testers to find errors in test scripts. Exporting test data saves tests in different programming languages like Java, Python, and Ruby. So Selenium IDE is ideal for beginners and quick test automation needs. Selenium commands. Selenium uses a set of commands called Selenis to automate web interaction. These commands help us interact with different elements, verifying results, and locating elements on a web page. Selenium's commands are divided into three categories: actions, assertions, and locations. The action commands. These commands perform operations like clicking buttons and entering text. For example, the click command stimulates a mouse click and type enters text into an input field. The assertion commands. Assertions verify expected results. For instance, assert title checks if the page title is correct, and assert text, ensure specific text is displayed. The locator command helps find the elements on a web page. ID, for example, ID is equal to element underscore ID locates an element by its ID, while XPath is equal to expression finds element using XPath. So to summarize, actions perform tasks, assertions verify these results, and locators finds elements. Mastering these commands is the key to effective Selenium automation. So let's see how writing test script in Selenium works. So this Selenium script automates the login process for the practice test automation website. It first launches the Chrome browser and navigates to the login page. Using explicit ways, it ensures that the user and password fields are present before entering the credentials, such as student and password 123. Once the fields are filled, the script waits for login button to be clickable, and then it clicks to submit the form. After logging in, the script pauses for 10 seconds using time.sleep, allowing the users to observe the results before the browser automatically closes. So this is how the code looks like, and this is how the output will be. This browser is going to open automatically and close once it's logged in successfully. So Selenium also supports advanced testing features such as regression testing. It's basically the reusing of test scripts for repeated execution, retesting, re-executing failed test cases automatically, database testing, validating data from backend databases. And then we have error handling. It's basically handling unexpected errors using exceptional handling techniques. And then we have test result reporting, generates logs and reports for better debugging. Screenshot capture captures screenshots when the test failure occurs. So these features make Selenium suitable for large-scale test automation projects. So to summarize, Selenium is the most powerful open source automation tool available today. Its ability to support multiple browsers, platforms, and programming languages makes it an ideal choice for automated testing. A few key takeaway points are Selenium provides functional regression, cross-browser testing capabilities. It allows parallel execution and CI/CD integration, making it useful in modern software development. With continuous improvement, Selenium will remain a leading tool in the test automation. With continuous improvements in Selenium 4 and beyond, it remains a future-proof solution for web automation testing. Thank you so much.